na.
Magandang hapon.
Mahal kasi, hindi man ako mahirap maliit. Nandiyan pala si Keith. Wala ka papasok ko dyan.
They gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened.
Maybe this is the first time. How was this uplifted this group?
Well, I'm really happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Oh my God.
It's
Yes, go
lovely to see,
Kitty.
BP, it's lovely to see you smiling po.
Thank you, ma'am.
VP, Marlica po muli. Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Gusto po ng
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Very sweet naman.
And then,
Kitty, yeah, go.
na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi
Go na yan.
because they did up what was
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and he's happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. Na yun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice. May advice ba siya sa'yo?
Secret.
Teka muna, about boyfriend. Na-shock ba siya? Okay, sige. Alright. Thank you.
sa legal side, we need to talk to Nicholas Pacman. So he's the only person that can talk about what they will do with regard to matters inside the